This is the Lockpicking Newbie, and today I want to congratulate Lockpicking Coal Miner for 100 subscribers. Congratulations. Yeah, it's a great community and fun to watch everybody's videos and make videos and interact with people. So Lockpicking Coal Miner is doing a giveaway, and it's kind of a pick any lock giveaway, which is nice to you know, not have the stress of handcuffing yourself or damaging yourself in some way. But nice, easy, fun pick. So what I chose for this is this Defiant. I got this from Divinorum a couple months ago. He sent me a really nice package of tons of awesome things. And this was in there. It looks like a quick set kind of keyway, 5-pinner. And let's see what it's like to pick. Oh, and I'm gonna pick it with this nice custom pick that Hillbilly Locksport made for me, or he made as, I don't know that he made it for me specifically, but he made it as a pick to you know, to try out. And I've been picking with these picks. My main thing is most of the locks I'm picking these days need real skinny picks, and these are around 25,000s, 22, 25,000s. So I don't often right now get to pick with them. But anywho, I love the wood handle. The craftsmanship is really awesome. So whatever. Anyway, so here we go. Not much more to say. Let's just pick. All right, nothing much on 1 right now. A little click on 2, a little click on 3. Let's take it easy a little bit. Little click on 4, not much on 5. I have not gutted this thing, but I do think there's spools in it. Okay, there's a little false set. I was fooling around with 4 back there. Another little click on 2. Let's find 1, counter rotation. And a click. Let's see if we can find that another spool here. I think we got another spool to go. Might be. Oh, there's 5. Let's see what 5 feels like. Oh, I just overset it and lost the false set a little bit. Okay, so put 5 back where it belongs. All right, 1 feels okay. Some counter on 2, but I don't think that's. I think 2's picked. No, just overset 3. So put that guy back where he needs to be. Let's see what we can do on 4 here. Ugh. No. All right, let's see if maybe we can get another click out of 5. Get this thing over. There we go. Open. All right, how you like that? All right, fun pick. Let's get this out of the way and bring some gutting tools. Now, well guys, I'm going to have to go get the other thing. So much for being prepared. Okay, so I do not have the key for this. I'm going to try to keep it at about 90 degrees. And let's hope for the best together. Huh. All right, maybe if I keep a tension wrench close by, I can, yeah, that'll be good. Since I don't have a key, I gotta be real careful. There we go. Okay, we are picked, so it'll fly everywhere if I'm not careful. I'm not gonna use a shim. I'll put this about 90 degrees again. guys, here we go. All right, that went well. Turn that so one is on the left, like I usually do. All right, here's key pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they all look standard. And the core looks pretty standard. Unfortunately, you can't really see inside of it. All right, let's see if I can do this without making a mess. Ooh, I think those key pins might all be like top and bottom the same. All right, there's a spool in 1. Told ya. A standard in 2. Get these springs out of the way. Get back here, you. A spool in 3. Standard in 4. And a spool in 5. All right, guys. I think there's no shenanigans in here. So interesting little mortise cylinder here. It's kind of light, so I think it's kind of like pot metal. But they did at least have the decency to put some spools in it and made it sort of a fun pick. So I'm going to show this to you. Oh my gosh. I'm going to try to show this without causing a complete and total disaster. All right, so yeah. So you got all standard pins, key pins, and I think they're the same top and bottom, which is not so great. And then spools in 1, 3, and 5, and standard drivers in 2 and 4. And then let's just look at these key pins. Yeah, they're beveled the same, both sides. So I guess what we're saying here is it should have been an easier pick. Ha! All right, well anyway, back to Lockpicking Coal Miner. Congratulations again. Thank you for doing the giveaway, because I'm always looking for fun things to do for all of my viewers, and this is one. That is all I have for you today. This is the Lockpicking Newbie. Stay healthy and have a good day.